It's Mr. Van Dong here with week 8, day 4. Whole number division is what we're working on for our essential math today. So division is this year you got introduced to the partial quotient strategy, and that's what we're still focused on today. And the reason being, just as a quick reminder, long division is not the worst thing ever, but it's not as good for learning what division is actually doing. And the 6th grade teachers actually asked us not to teach you long division. So you're going to be working on long division in middle school. And it's more important right now that you understand what division is. Remembering that division is taking a number, a dividend, and breaking it apart into divisors, into groups. Okay, so that's what we're doing. Taking numbers, breaking them apart, putting them into groups. Another way to think about it, glasses are dirty. Another way to think about it is to think of how many groups of the divisor are going to fit into the dividend. So it's basically repeated subtraction over and over and over again. You know, you've got 1,000 M&Ms to share with 30 people. Start sharing them out. How many times can you give everybody one M&M? It's just sharing. Okay. So we're going to do whole number division today, and we do the thing that was new about division in 5th grade is 2-digit divisors. So we'll do probably 2 problems right now, and the second one will be a 2-digit divisor problem. So I'm just going to make a problem up here. Let's say that we were doing something like, I don't know, 528 divided by 4 for fun. So we write it like this for partial quotients. And then I'm going to color code here a little bit. I'm going to switch it out to show my work for what I would do. I'm going to draw this line here. And all I'm doing is I'm keeping track on the right of how much I'm handing out. Again, this is 528 gummy bears shared out among 4 people. So every time I give people some gummy bears, or maybe we should think of it as dollars. Dollars are a little bit easier to understand. So $528 split among 4 people. I can give everybody a $100 bill, right? Yeah, I can. So I'm going to start with that. You don't have to go in any order here, but I like to start with the biggest numbers that I can. So I'm going to try to give everybody $100. So if I give everybody $100, that's how much money that I just gave away. I just gave away $400. $400 have been distributed. So I take away 400 from 528, getting 128 remaining. So this is now how much money I still have to share out. Can I give everybody $100 again? I shouldn't have drawn that line right there. Can I give everybody $100 again? No, I don't have $100 to give everybody again. Okay, but I could give everybody $10, right? I could. Right now you're thinking you could give them more than $10, Mr. Van Dong, and that's fine. But let's say that for now I'm just recognizing that I can give them $10. That's what's kind of nice about this strategy is you don't have to always figure out the largest amount of money that you can give in each step. If I give everybody $10, that gets rid of $40. So how much money is going to be left? $88 is going to be left to share there. I just did the regrouping in my head. Be careful with your regrouping and subtraction. Could I give everybody $10 again? And at this point, I would notice, yeah, I think I could actually give everybody $20 again, is what I'm thinking. You could give them $10, that'd be fine. I'm going to give everybody $20 because I see that 20 times 4 is going to be 80. And then there's going to be $8 left to give. If there's $8 with 4 people, I should give everybody $2 because that's going to be $8 each, and then there's no remainder. So how much money did everybody get? 110, 130, 132. So the answer here is 132. 132 divided by, 528 divided by 4 is 132. Okay. If we were going to do a similar problem, just with a 2-digit divisor, nothing changes about what we're doing. Let's say that we were going to do something like, I don't know, 3,105 divided by 24. Okay, so I set it up the exact same way. I've got 3,105, and I'm going to be sharing that among 24 people. So again, I'm just going to talk about it in terms of money because I think that's pretty relatable. So can I give everybody $1,000? That would be $24,000 handed out. Do I have $24,000 to hand out? I don't. Can I give everybody $100? Yeah, I could. Give everybody $100. That's $2,400 distributed. So how much is going to be left here? $705 left to give out among these 24 people. I can't give out 100 anymore. I'm going to just start with giving out 10 because I'm pretty sure I can do 10. That'll be 240. Yeah, I can give out that much. Okay. Being careful about my regrouping here. Okay, there's 465 to give out again. I don't think I can give out 20 because 20 is going to be double that. It'd be 480. So I better just give out 10 again. So another $240 shared out. So that, yep, sure enough, now I have 225 left to share. I can't give out $10 anymore, but it's really close. I bet I could give out 9. Now, I don't know what 9 times 24 is, so I'm going to quickly do that problem over here to check to make sure that I could give everybody 9. So I got 9 times 4 is 36, and 9 times 2 is 18. Yeah, I can do that. I can give everybody 9. If you wanted to try to do something like that in your head, you would need to do 240 minus 24 mentally, which some of us can do, and some of us that's too much. So I did it like that to make sure I didn't make a mistake. So I can give everybody $9, which is $216. I was pretty sure I could give 9 because 225 was so close to 240. So that was my logic there and why I checked that. Okay, 5 minus 6 is not 1. Be very cautious that you don't make those mistakes. So there's $9 left over here, right? Yeah, right. So how much did I give out to everybody? Everybody got $110, $120, $129. And what was left over? There was $9 left over. So 129, remainder 9 is our final answer. Okay. That is a review of the partial product strategy and explanation of why we use partial products. Solve the rest of the problems on your page. Check them with calculators. Remember, if you check with a calculator, that if there's a remainder, the calculator is going to give you a decimal form, so you can't perfectly check it with the calculator, but you can make sure you were in the right ballpark. So, all right, see you tomorrow.